Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A16 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So basically all we have to do is to open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, it will you can do it differently. So if you've got the gestures, just like me, you have to swipe your finger up gently and hold it somewhere here, right in the middle of the screen. But if you've got the buttons, then simply find the button with 3 bars icon, I believe, or the square icon. And after tapping on it, you will be able to open the recents. So let me enter the recents. As I said, simply swipe your finger up gently, and as you can see here, we've got all previously opened apps. And if you want to, you can close only one of it and just find it and swipe it up just like that. But if you do not have the time to do that manually, simply tap on close all, and your device will close all of the apps which were stored there. We can of course get back here, and as you can see, we've got no recent tasks, which means that we just successfully closed all running apps. So actually this is it. This is how to close background apps in your OPPO A16. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.